Hi kids, the next topic is air, water and weather. In this we are going to learn about the sun, the weather, air and water. You all know what is air. Air is nothing but the breeze that you're getting. You can't just touch, you can just only feel air. Okay. What are the different types of season we have? What are the different types of weather we are having? It is cloudy, rainy, sunny and windy. If you take page number 90, you have pictures in it. You can just go through. It is cloudy, rainy, sunny and windy. Next, we are going to see about the sun and the weather. How does this sun changes the weather of a particular place? Weather is a condition of the atmosphere of a place at a particular time. At one particular time, what is the weather? What is the climatic condition? That is only known as weather. Atmosphere is nothing but the air that is surrounding you. உங்களை சுற்றி எப்படி ஏர் வந்து இருக்கு, ஹாட்டாக இருக்கா இல்லை கோல்டாக இருக்கா, இதை வச்சு தான் யூ ஆர் ஏபிள் டு கெஸ் வாட் டைப் ஆஃப் வெதர் யூ ஆர் ஹேவிங் இன் அ பர்டிகுலர் பிளேஸ். It will not be same everywhere. அது ஒரே மாதிரி எல்லா இதுலேயும் இருக்காது. It varies from place to place. At one time it will be hot and at one part of the time it will be rainy. For example, in the morning, now when you are at home you will have rain, but when you are starting from home to school, the weather may change. It may change to sunny day. Okay, so the weather of a particular place keeps on changing. For example, if you are in Trichy and it is raining in Trichy, in Chennai you may have a different type of weather. It may be hot there. Okay, so weather is not standard. It differs from one place to another. The sun causes this change. What is causing this change? It is only the sun. When you have the heatness in the atmosphere, you are able to feel that you are having a hot climate. What climate it is? It is a cloudy or windy or rainy, whatever it is. Okay, the heat of the sun changes the water from one form to another and also affects the movement of the air. So when this water, what is this, how this atmosphere is changing, how this weather is changing is when the water is changing from one form to another. ஒரு ஃபார்ம்லேருந்து இன்னொரு ஃபார்ம் மாறி and the atmosphere, it is just changing. It is cooling the air around you. Okay, this water, what it is doing, it is changing from one form to another, which affects the movement of the air. அந்த சுற்றி இருக்கிற தண்ணி வந்து ஒரு ஃபார்ம்லேருந்து இன்னொரு ஃபார்ம் போய் அது என்ன பண்ணுது? It is just changing the atmosphere. It is just changing the weather of a particular place. When there is too much of water, you will have cold. When there is no water and it is being absorbed by the sun, what will happen? You will not feel the cold, you will feel hot. Okay, these changes in water and air bring about changes in weather. In the air lendu, in the water lendu, from one form to another change agela, what is happening? You will definitely feel the weather, whether the weather is hot or cold. Okay children, now you understand what is weather, what is how does the sun plays a major role in forming the weather of a particular place. Yes, next we are going to see how are days and night caused. How are, you all know already how are days and night caused. Days are caused movement of the earth on rotating on its own axis is known as rotation. அதோட ஆக்சிஸ்லே அது சுத்தேல, it is known as rotation. How many hours it takes for rotation? It takes 24 hours for the earth to complete one rotation. At a given point of time, the earth phases, at one point, at one half of the earth faces sun and the other half faces away from the sun. So the part of the earth which faces the sun has day and the part of the sun which does not, the other part which does not face the sun has night. It for one complete rotation of the earth, it takes 24 hours. Earth வந்து it rotates on its own axis. அதுக்கே you have a slanting line which passes through the center of the earth. When it's rotating on its own axis, days and nights are caused. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Okay, it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation, and the part of the earth which is facing the sun has day, and part of the earth which is away from the sun has night. Did you understand this concept? What is rotation and how are days and night caused? Yes, now you also understood weather. Weather, again I will repeat, weather is nothing but the condition of atmosphere of a place at a particular time. It varies from one time to another. Okay, so you all are clear about weather and how are days and night caused? Yes. Next we will go with seasons. These days and nights are caused with rotation. Likewise, seasons are caused with revolution. When the earth moves around the sun in its own orbit, or orbit is always elliptical. When it is rotating on its own orbit, it causes revolution. Revolution only causes season. It takes 365 days and 6 hours for Earth to complete one revolution. How many hours does it take for rotation? It takes 24 hours. Whereas for revolution, it takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. The earth moves around the sun in its orbit, whereas in rotation how the earth is moving, it is moving on its own axis. இதுல வந்து orbit revolutionல வந்து earth வந்து orbitல சுத்தும், but whereas in rotation it moves in the own axis. அந்த ஆக்சிஸை சுத்தியே அது மூவ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும். ஆனா ரெவல்யூஷன்ல ஆர்பிட் சன் வந்து சென்டர்ல இருக்கும், ஆர்பிட்ல எர்த் மூவ் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கும். ஓகே, this revolution causes seasons. Okay, as the earth is tilted on its axis, the portion of the sun has a longer day. எந்த portion வந்து sunனை face பண்ணி இருக்கோ, that portion will have longer and warmer days. This portion will have summer season. In earth வந்து sunனை face பண்ணி இருக்கிற இடத்துல you will have longer and warmer days, whereas that portion whichever portion is facing the sun will have summer season. The other portion of the earth which is away from the sun has cooler and shorter days. So what will happen when one part is having summer, the other part will automatically have winter season. Therefore, revolution of the earth causes seasons. Sun face பண்ணி இருக்கிற, when the earth faces the sun, what will happen? That portion will have summer season and the days are longer and warmer. When the earth is away from the sun, when the part of the earth which is away from the sun has cooler and shorter days, and they will have winter season. Okay, did all of you understand what is the weather of a place, what causes day and night, and how are seasons caused, and what are the different types of weather we are having? Okay, what are the different types of weather? It is cloudy, rainy, sunny and windy season. Weather is nothing but the condition of the atmosphere of a particular place at a particular time. And rotation is it takes 24 hours for one complete rotation, and the earth moves on its axis. Whereas revolution, the earth moves around the sun on its own orbit. Revolution, it rotates in its orbit. Rotation, it moves on its axis. Okay, and for rotation it takes 24 hours for one complete rotation, and for revolution it takes 365 days and 6 hours. Likewise, after taking this 364 hours, every 6 hour is calculated as every 6 hours, every 4th 6th hour will have the 366 days, and that is only we are having leap year. Okay, this 6 hours is being calculated for 4 years, and every 4 years only, you all know that every 4 years only we are having a leap year. This 6 hours is calculated for 4 years, and this 6 into 4 is, you will have 24, and this 24 hours is being calculated as 365 days. Okay, did you all understood this concept? I hope you all understood. Okay, Earth spins on all the time, but we do not see the movement. When the Earth is spinning, did you all feel? Are you able to feel the movement? No, we are all standing in one place, or we are sitting in one place. We do not feel, even though the Earth is rotating, we are not able to feel the movements. Why we are not able to feel the movements? It is because of gravity. The gravitational force only allows you that we do not feel the movement of the Earth. So when there is a fast movement in the revolution or in the rotation, we are able to feel the speed. We are able to feel the speed of the Earth. Okay, this you are clear with it? Yes. Now we are going to see about how do winds blow. How are winds blowing? Do you all know? Okay, now I will tell you. Due to the round shape of the earth, sun does not fall evenly because the earth is being round. If it is in a flat surface, if the earth is flat, means you will have the sun's rays evenly spread. But where this earth is, how it is round. So when the sun's rays will not fall evenly. இப்ப flat இருந்துச்சுன்னா சன்னோட rays வந்து ஈவனா ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆகும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் when you are drying some provisions outside in the sun, you will just put it in a tray and you will just dry it out in the sun. But what if you just keep it inside the packet and just go leave it, will it get dried? No, definitely it will not get dried. So when it is in the flat surface only, sun's rays will fall evenly on all the things. Likewise, we are not able, the sun's rays does not fall on the earth evenly. So what it is happening, only part of the earth's surface is getting heated up. Okay, when the part of the earth's surface is getting heated up, the air becomes warmer. ஒரு பக்கம் மட்டும் ஹீட் ஆகையில என்ன ஆகுது, அந்த பக்கத்துல இருக்கிற ஏர் மட்டும் ஹீட் ஆயிடுது. This warmer and lighter air rises up. இந்த வார்மா இருக்கிற ஏர் வந்து என்ன ஆகுது, இட் ஜஸ்ட் goes up and cools the air which is heavier. மேல இருக்கிற ஏரை வந்து ஹெவியரா இருக்க ஏரை வந்து இந்த கீழேந்து போற ஏர் வந்து it is just cooling it and comes to that particular place. This leads of continuous movement of the air. கீழேந்து லைட்டர் ஏர் மேல போய் ஹெவியர் ஏரை வந்து கூல் பண்ணி கண்டினியூஸா இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ப்ராசஸ் போவேல that movement, that continuous movement of the air only is known as wind. Because the shape of the earth is not flat, sun's rays does not fall evenly. At one place only the sun's rays is getting heated up. So what it is doing, the air becomes warmer and rises up and cools the air which is heavier. மேல இருக்க heavier air போய் இந்த lighter air வந்து cool பண்ணி it becomes and it causes wind. Okay, now you all clear with how do winds blow? Yes? Okay. You all know water is very important for all living organisms. Nearly 3/4 of the earth's surface is being covered with water. Okay, human beings or whatever, plants or animals, whatever it is, they all live water for their existence. Okay, what are the three forms of water? It is ice, water and water vapor. எந்தெந்த எப்படியெல்லாம் வந்து water நமக்கு exist ஆகுது? It is in the form of ice, water and water vapor. Water changes from one form to another either by cooling or by heating. Either ஒரு formல இருந்து இன்னொரு form வந்து water எப்படி மாறுதுன்னா, either you have to heat water or either you have to cool water. Okay, those processes we will see in the further classes. Okay, thank you children.